Welcome to 19326 Outrider Loop. This is one of the most stunning, inspired, and incredible properties that Tetherow has to offer. Here we have about 2,500 square feet of chalet design located here high on the plateau in the Tetherow community. At the core of this home is an inspired architecture derived from the European Alps. This chalet design with these steep roofs originally came from carrying heavy snow loads back in the day, but it's carried through to today, which offers these beautiful vaulted ceilings and windows to the views all the way out to Mount Hood to the north and Broken Top to the west. The heart of this home is on the upstairs, and it was purposely done that way. Not only do we have the primary suite bathed in southern light, incredible with a suite bathroom and walk-in closet, but we also have the primary living, dining, and kitchen areas that open seamlessly through a 3-panel door system onto the deck that has sweeping views to the north, east, and to the west. The lower level of this home has 2 additional bedrooms, 2 additional bathrooms, laundry, and direct access to either the 2-car or the 1-car garage separated by the entry. Here we are on the elevated plateau in the heart of Tetherow, one of the most inspired, one of the most creative, one of the most exciting communities that Central Oregon has to offer. We have fitness just down the road, we have a pool only steps away, and then we have all the lifestyle afforded within it, whether that be the link-style golf course or the walking trails that lead directly to national forest to the west. This is an incredible lifestyle, a unique opportunity, and I invite you to come discover it for yourself.